is a little hack of mine, a knot hack. Start with high quality packing tape, a 1/2 inch strip that's about 3 inches long. Take your screen side out. You can do this with any camera with a swivel screen by putting that piece of tape on the inside. So the inside side is the non-screen side. Now you turn it into a tab. So now,
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to give you 7 camera hacks for you to use in your videos like this. That was a whoosh pan. A whoosh pan. Like this. Now if you don't want to drop your expensive camera, then you could just use an action camera or set up your camera on a monopod so you can slide that rail down as the object falls. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you have a hack that you use with your camera, let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thing, subscribe, all the YouTube things. I will see you guys in the next one.